All right, so today is the day. I'm gonna go pick up all that transmission stuff for the swap. I'm just gonna head out from Barrie here. I gotta head out to Mississauga. So, we'll see you when we get there. All right, so we're here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get any video footage when I'm inside. I'll try. But look at this sketchy place. I must say, at least everything's coming out of one vehicle, so that's a good thing. I'll keep you guys posted. This is what you came out of. You guys would not believe what is back here. This thing has been sitting in here for the last 10 years. One JZ GT, non-VTI, R154. She's a stick. So rare. So nice. So clean too. Blue interior. It's a target top. That's crazy. All these parts of shit. Saw the stuff from that IS. Unfortunately, it's an M82. Alrighty. That was successful. Wow. I need to literally get around this truck, if that's even possible. On the upside, we got all the parts. Transmissions in the back, same with the tunnel. I'll go over all this jazz afterwards. So this is what it's like on a Friday, trying to get back to Barrie from Muskoka. Or wow, trying to get back to Barrie from Mississauga. And I've literally been sitting on the 401 in dead still traffic for at least the last 20 minutes. All is good because it says my GPS it's going to take me 2.5 hours to get home. So all this good old jazz. I just want to look at my goddamn car parts, man. I just want to look at everything. So I'll get back to you. How's everybody doing? It's actually the next day. It's Saturday now. I didn't end up getting back late last night until, or I didn't end up getting back late. I didn't end up getting back last night until extremely late. So I just unpiled everything from the truck now, and let's take a look at all the things we got. All right, so here we go. I got the brake and clutch pedal with all the sensors and all the other jazz. I got the OEM master. Then I got, this is actually the OE clutch line as well for the IS300. This is a stage 3 clutch masters. And then there's the OEM flywheel, dual mass flywheel. And then I got, this is hard to find because there isn't that many manuals to start with. This is the whole center console thing with the actual 1 to 5. So that was nice to get. And then this is a manual cluster for an IS300, which is rare. Well, more rare than the Altezza because you can find an Altezza cluster just about anywhere. I got the manual ECU as well because I don't want any check engine lights and I don't want any, I just want to do it right. Let's put it that way. I literally got everything to do it right. All the bolts for every single thing. Here's the W55. It only has 120,000 kilometers on it. Here's the OE shifter. And this thing's in great shape, literally. Brand new slave. That's perfect. Now, I know a lot of people have done IS300 manual swaps and whatnot. I'm not sure if many people know this. This is actually the trans tunnel shifter section from a manual IS and see how high this piece actually goes. Now, not only that piece, but then this piece as well. That gives you room for this part of the shifter. Okay, so without this, you have to space it on the actual automatic chassis, and then you get a whole bunch of vibration in the drive shaft and whatnot, and it's just not a good time. So I'm literally gonna make this, I'm gonna cut this, trim this out, right, and then either weld it or seam seal it in. And then that'll be just like OEM, like as if the chassis was actually a manual chassis. I also got the wiring harness for the sensors and whatnot, so I can do the speed sensor and all the other sensors and all that wiring. And then this is an OEM IS300 manual drive shaft as well. So that is literally everything I need except for a pilot bearing to get this swap done. I'm gonna start off probably by doing all the small stuff first, like getting the slate or getting the clutch master cylinder in, getting in the pedals, because I can still drive it as an auto with all that stuff in there. And then the next thing I guess that I'm probably gonna end up doing will be fabricating this. Now, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it before or after, but I kinda wanna I gotta clean up this engine bay a little bit. So, I hate that the ECU sits right here. And I'm debating on whether or not to extend these wires and actually relocate it. These wires here, and then there's also a loom that goes down into the bottom of it. And either extend it all the way around and into the actual vehicle itself, or I gotta relocate the battery anyways, because I'm doing an ABS relocate, which ends up being pretty much here where the positive terminal is. So I gotta remove that. And my other debate is whether or not I can actually fit this back in here in a way that it looks clean, and then I can actually put the ABS over there or something. I honestly am not sure. I really have to figure out what I'm gonna do there. So that's the update on that. Now, I also got a carpet because, as you can see in my car, this ugly beige carpet, which needs to go. So I got, sorry, this shop's a complete and utter mess. But I got a carpet. As you can see, it's absolutely dirty as hell. So I gotta clean that up, vacuum it out, pressure wash it, and then let it sit for a couple days. And then when I'm doing the pedals at the same time, because I'm gonna pull the driver's seat to do the pedals because it just makes life so much easier, I'm gonna swap the carpet all at the same time. Got a couple videos on that. I'll probably do a separate video for the carpet swap and a separate video for the pedals. But yeah, I finally got her all. It's finally in my possession. I'm just more or less, I guess, blown away with how good a condition this transmission's in. I'm actually quite excited. And not only that, every single thing in this box came from one car. Okay, so it's not like it's a piece from a whole bunch of different cars. I get literally all from one car, which to me makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys got any questions, just let me know. Stay tuned, because things are about to get crazy up in here.